Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, we are going to discuss the paragraph group in MS Word. This feature is very important for formatting and organizing text effectively. In our previous video, we talked about the font group in MS Word, and if you haven't watched it yet, the link is available in the description below. So, let's get started and explore how the paragraph group can make your documents more professional and well-structured. First, we are going to talk about the bullets command in MS Word. It helps organize your text into clear, easy-to-read lists. So, let's apply it and see how it works. First, select all the text that you want to format. Next, click on the bullets command to apply it to your selected text. As you can see, the bullets have been applied, giving the text a more organized and professional appearance. This is why using bullets is important. In addition to the default bullet style, MS Word offers many more options. Click the drop-down arrow next to the bullets command to explore different styles. As you hover over each option, you'll see a preview of how it changes your text. Choose the style that best suits your document. Besides the predefined bullet styles, MS Word also allows you to create a custom bullet. Click on Define New Bullet to explore countless options. Then, click on the symbol button to open a menu of symbols. Here, you can explore different symbols available in various font styles. Browse through them, find the one you like, and select it. And click OK. Alternatively, you can use an image as a bullet. Click on the Picture option. Click on Offline. Click again on Picture. Now choose your picture and click on Open. Now, let's move on to the next command, Numbering. This feature converts your bulleted list into a numbered list, making it easier to present information in a sequential order. Click on it to apply. You are seeing that the bullets is converted into numbers. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the numbering command to see different numbering styles. As you hover over each option, you'll see a live preview of how it changes your text, allowing you to choose the style that best fits your document. As we can see, at the end of the bullets and numbering commands, there is an option to change list level. Change list level in MS Word allows you to create main points and subpoints within your bulleted or numbered lists. This helps organize your content clearly and makes your document easier to read. So let's create a change list level. As we can see, the change list level option is initially disabled in the bullets command. Once you apply bullets to your text, this option becomes active, allowing you to adjust the levels of your list items. As you can see, the change list level option is now active and ready to use. As you can see, the Prime Minister is at a higher level, while the Cabinet Ministers are positioned below. Currently, they appear at the same level, but to show the difference clearly, we can use the Change List Level feature. Go to the Change List Level option and click on it. The first level represents the top position. So for the Cabinet Ministers, we select the second level since they are below the Prime Minister. Now, you can clearly see the difference in levels. For the Finance Minister, we need to select the third level, as this position is below both the Prime Minister and the Cabinet Ministers. So select from the Change List Level third one. Now, the Secretary of Finance is below all the previous positions, so we assign it to the fourth level. If you frequently adjust list levels using the Change List Level command, it can become time-consuming. To make this faster, you can use a shortcut. Press Shift+Tab to move an item to a higher level. As we are doing here, we are moving to high level. As you can see, we have moved it back to a higher level. Now, to move an item to a lower level, simply press the Tab key on your keyboard, as shown here. To adjust list levels quickly, remember, use the Tab key to move to a lower level, and Shift+Tab to move to a higher level. Now here use Tab button to move to lower level. Similarly, by pressing the Tab key, you move an item down one level, and by pressing Shift+Tab, you move it up one level, as you can see here. The multilevel list command converts our list levels into a numbered structure, similar to how we previously converted bullets into numbers using the numbering command. To apply it, simply select all the text and choose a multilevel list style. As you can see, the list is now converting into a structured numbering format. Now, let's discuss another important set of commands, text alignment. First, type some text so we can apply these options. In MS Word, we have 4 main alignment choices. These alignment options allow you to control the layout of your text and make your document more professional and visually appealing. The center alignment option places the selected text in the middle of the page, making it ideal for titles or headings. See how it worked. The Align Right option positions the text along the right margin, often used for dates or signatures, as you can see. The Align Left option, which is the default, places the text along the left margin and is the most commonly used in documents. You can see it position. The fourth alignment is Justify, which spreads text evenly across both margins, giving a clean and professional look. Notice that on the left side, the text edges are straight and neat, while on the right side the edges appear uneven, making the text look less professional. By using the Justify option, both sides are aligned evenly, giving the paragraph a clean and polished appearance. Select all the text. Now click on the Justify command. As you can see, the text is now evenly aligned on both sides, giving it a straight and professional look. Now, let's discuss the other options available under Justify. The commands Justify Low and Justify work almost the same, with only slight differences in spacing. Justify Medium adjusts the spacing more noticeably, giving the text a different appearance. See how the text changes in appearance after applying Justify Medium. Finally, Justify High applies the maximum spacing adjustment, making the text spread out more evenly across the line. Try each one to see how the look of your document changes. Observe how the text adjusts and spreads evenly after applying Justify High. You can justify the text either by clicking the Justify command or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J. Now, let's move on to the next command. By clicking on the Center Alignment button, your text will be centered, as you can see. Similarly, clicking Align Right positions the text along the right margin. See, it works. While Align Left places it along the left margin, this option used most. Let's create some text and discuss the indent commands. In MS Word, indents allow you to adjust the spacing of your text from the margins. Left indent moves the text inward from the left margin, creating a consistent gap at the beginning of the paragraph. Right indent moves the text inward from the right margin, creating a gap at the end of the paragraph. See, we are using the left indent, how the text moving to right. Now we are using the right indent. Now, let's discuss text direction in MS Word. This feature allows you to control the flow of text in your document, which is especially useful for documents in different languages or specific layouts. Right to left text direction, this is used for languages like Arabic, Hebrew, or Persian, where the text starts from the right side of the page and moves to the left. Left to right text direction, this is the default direction for most languages, such as English, where the text starts from the left side of the page and moves to the right. Now, let's see this in practice. First, click on Align Right and change the language to one that uses right-to-left text, such as Arabic, Persian, or Urdu. Here, we'll select Urdu and start typing. After typing, switch the language back to English. You'll notice that the English text doesn't appear in the correct sequence. To fix this, we need to change the text direction. Select right-to-left direction. Now select the right align. See, and now the English text appears in the correct order. Next, switch the language back to Urdu and type again. You'll see that the text now flows correctly. This demonstrates how the align and text direction commands work together to ensure your text appears in the correct sequence, regardless of language. I hope this helps you understand the importance of these two commands. Now, let's talk about the Show Hide command. It reveals hidden formatting marks, like spaces, paragraph marks, and tabs, helping you format your document accurately and professionally. Now, let's insert some text and apply the Show Hide command to see the hidden formatting marks in action. Now, click on the Show Hide command, and you'll see the hidden formatting marks displayed in your text. Now, let's discuss the shading command in MS Word. This feature allows you to add background color to selected text or paragraphs, making them stand out and improving readability. Shading is commonly used to highlight key points, create emphasis, or visually separate sections in a document. By using shading effectively, you can make your content more engaging and professional. Now, let's apply shading. First, select the text. Then click on the shading command. As you can see, the background color has been applied. That wraps up our detailed look at the paragraph group in MS Word. We covered bullets, numbering, multi-level lists, alignment, indents, text direction, shows hide, and shading. There are still 2 commands, borders and sort, which we will explore in the Insert tab in a future session. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.